Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is an insulated water bottle, eventually from the brand called GrandTies. So the cool thing about this product is the fact that obviously it is insulated, but it definitely has a wide mouth design, so it makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean inside the bottle if you guys need to. And it comes with two different sports lids that's actually used on the actual water bottle. But for the one that we got here, it comes in two different colors, and they are 24 ounce. So I'm actually opening up both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up this one here, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing you see inside, they do give you guys this cap right here, which I'll open up in a second. And then right underneath that, you can see there's a protection layer right there. So let's open up this part right here. And then right underneath that, you guys see the actual product right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you can see the product is all nicely wrapped, but let's take it out from the wrapper first. Alright, so this is the first sport lid that they actually provide for you guys that's in use. So they have a nice little hand right here that's in use, and it is insulated as well, like I mentioned. So you actually close it up like this. And then for this side right here we have the water bottle. If you can see, this is basically what it looks like. So definitely really cool design where they have this opening right here. So you guys can open up right here to actually drink water out of it if you guys need to. Anyways, not using it, you guys can close it back up. Make sure it's closed all the way, so that way the product is fully insulated and actually is sealed. For this sports water right here, you guys can see how they provide you guys this little handle option here if you guys need to carry around like that. Or if you guys want to, you can definitely use it here as well to actually carry around. And then the way how they design the water bottle right here, if you can see, you get a good grip when you guys grip it right here, which is pretty cool. And then right there we have the logo, and this is what it looks like in the bottom. I definitely love the design of the product a lot. They definitely have that midnight black design and a little bit of blue right here, which looks kind of cool. But when we open up the inside, you guys can see that that is basically what it looks like inside. And then when you guys put your ear right here, you can definitely hear that like huge like echo and everything. So you definitely know the product is insulated. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like with this lid right here. Let me actually put on the other one as well to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like with the other lid right here, if you can see. So you can just carry around like that if you guys want to. But that is basically what this product looks like for both of the lid. Let me open the other one and show you guys what that one looks like as well. Alright, so you guys open it up, basically the same thing. Here's the little lid and a little cover right there. When we open the cover, same thing inside, the water bottle right there. Let's take it out. Alright, so you can see everything is basically the same thing, all nicely wrapped with the logo on the actual wrapper. Let me open it up. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. This one is the ivory white. If you can see, the color definitely looks pretty awesome. And this is what it looks like inside right here. Now I'm actually opening this one right here. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. If you guys can see, definitely looks like a pretty awesome color. This is the ivory white. But basically everything is the same. You get a good grip right here when you guys hold it. You guys can use this little handle to actually carry around if you guys need to. Or you can use this option right here. And then when you guys want to use it, you guys can open up this part right here. And then drink from that hole right there. And when you guys not using it, seal it back up. And I definitely love this design right here a lot. It actually looks really cool with the actual color of the bottle right here. It definitely has a very good grip if you guys need to open it up like this. And then this is basically what the inside looks like. So literally everything is the same thing compared to the other one, but this one's a different color. If you can see, that is what it looks like in the bottom right there. And one that I just noticed is the fact that how they designed the silicone inside. They actually have this little flap that makes it a lot easier for you guys to take it out and clean it if you guys need to, which is pretty nice. And they also have it on the other one as well. So this is basically what it looks like with the first lid right here. Let me actually put on the other one as well to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we put on the other one right here, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. I definitely like the design of the other lid a lot more than this one because it has so much functionality that's on here. Like you definitely have the option to open up this part right here to drink your water or liquid or whatever. And you get these different handles to carry around, so either use this one or use this one, which is pretty nice. And just the overall design of this part right here, it actually makes it a lot cooler as well. But that is basically what it looks like for both of these products right here. So I definitely love the overall design of the product. If you can see, it actually looks really nice. And I really like the option how they provide you guys those two different lid options. So maybe one of them you can use it indoor and the other one is mainly for outdoor of the way how to design it. And the way how to design the product, it is leak proof, which I'll do a test in a second. And also the way how they design the outside layer here, they mention how it's scratch resistant and rust resistant as well. So that's definitely really cool since they do have that matte coating outside. But I definitely love the fact that how they do have a wide mouth design. So that way if you need to put ice inside, you definitely can because it's big enough to put the ice inside. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over the countertop to show you guys a quick test of the leak proof and test out the insulation in here to see how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So since both of them are the same thing, I'll just test out one of them. So I'll probably just test out the black one that we have right here. So first I want to do is open up the cap and take out the paper inside first. Alright, so I'm going to take this out. And then what I want to do is check the temperature inside first. So I got my little temperature checker right here. Alright, so I'm going to press the button. So inside right now is 74 degrees. But let me actually add some cold water inside and put the ice inside as well to show you guys how cold it can get. Alright, so that should be fine. We got the water in and we got a little ice cube tray right here. So let's put some ice inside. Alright, so that should be fine. Now let's check the temperature again. Alright, so you see the temperature is getting colder and colder, but you can definitely see that it does work in terms of keeping the product cold because it is insulated. But now I'm going to try to add some hot water in here and test it out. Alright, so let's test out the heat insulation right here. Alright, that should be good. And then when we use this part right here, you guys can see the temperature inside right there is about 187 degrees. So the water is definitely pretty hot and it is insulated inside. When you guys look at the bottle right here, you can definitely see the steam coming out as well. So the bottle will definitely keep your liquid hot or cold depending on what you guys put inside. But let's test out the leak-proof design on both of the lids. So we'll start with this one right here. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, so you see none of the liquid is coming out. So it is leak-proof for this one right here. Now let's test out this one as well. Alright, so you see the product is completely leak proof, so that way you don't have to worry about any liquid falling out, which is pretty awesome. And then for the outside coating layer right here, it's pretty cool because when you guys try to feel the bottle right here, you don't feel any of the coldness or the heat that's on the product from the inside, which is pretty awesome. So that way you don't have to worry about getting burned or anything from the outside or feeling cold when you guys put cold water inside on the outside layer right here. Welcome back, guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, you can definitely see that it does work and works quite well, super easy to use. If you guys can see from the actual test, the product it is leak proof and actually works really well in terms of insulation or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for affordable, premium, and luxury design water bottle that's insulated and also has the 2 lid option that's also leak proof as well, so you can use it indoor or outdoor, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.